Hello students, in previous part of this chapter we have done the introduction of simple equation and two methods of solving it, that is hit and trial and elimination method. Now we will do the exercise 4.3. So let's start with the question number 1. So we are given with the equation 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Alright, so we need to solve it. Alright, we will apply elimination method. So here we know that this 2 is in divide. So what is the opposite of divide? What is the opposite of divide? Is multiplication. So we will multiply. So first step is multiply the equation by 2 on both sides so that we can reduce 2 from here. Alright, so if I multiply 2, so I will get this. Alright, so on multiplying 2 multiply 2, that is 4y plus 2 multiply 5 by 2, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled, right? So 5, okay, plus 5 only. Okay, let me explain you. 2 multiply 2y. When we multiply this in the bracket, we will get 2 multiply 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2 multiply 2, right? So on multiplying, 2 multiply 2 is 4y plus 2 cancel, that is 5 is equal to 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So we get 4y plus 5 is equal to 37. Now this 5 is in addition. So how we will eliminate this? By subtracting. So second step will be subtract 5 from both sides. Alright, on subtracting we will get 4y plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 37 minus 5. So 5 and 5 will be cancelled. 37 minus 5 will be 32 and here we get 4y. Alright. Now we have 4y is equal to 32. So here 4 is also. So we now we will eliminate 4. So 4 is in multiply. So what is the opposite of multiplication? That is division. So we will eliminate 4 by divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, so 4y divided by 4 is equal to 32 divided by 4 will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 8s are 32. So y is equal to 8. So this is the solution of first question A part. Alright, rest of the question are same. Let's do question number 2. So in question number 2, the equation is given, that is 2x plus 4 is equal to 12, right? So here 2 is a multiplication. So to eliminate this we will divide. So divide the equation by 2 on both sides. Alright, so on dividing we will get 2x plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 12 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So here x plus 4 is equal to 6, right? Now here 4 is in addition, this is the extra part other than the variable. So we have to eliminate this. Now the second step we will do, we will subtract 4 from both sides. So subtract 4 from both sides. Okay, so on subtracting we will get x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4. 4 and 4 will get cancelled. X is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. So we get the answer, that is 6x is equal to 2. So rest of the question are same for this particular question. Now let's do question number 3. So in question number 3, equation is given as 4 is equal to 5 multiply p minus 2. Alright. So here if 5 is in multiplication, right? So if we divide this 5, if we eliminate this 5, so we have to divide, so the other side will be in the fraction, right? So 4 by 5, that will not cancel out. So what we have to do, we will solve it by the other method, right? So what we will do, we will multiply this. 4 is equal to 5p minus 5p minus 10. How we get this? 5 multiply p is 5p, 5 multiply 2 is 10. Okay. Now what we will do, we will take this 10 to the left side. On taking minus 10 to left side, what we will get? When we shift this minus 10 to left side, the sign of the 10 will get changed into plus. Okay, whenever any integer change its side, the symbol which represent the integer also get changed. If it is minus, it will change into plus. If it is plus, it will change into minus. Okay, so this is minus 10. When it will shift to the left side, it will be plus 10. So now here we get 10 plus 4, or we can say 4 plus 10 is equal to 5p. Okay, now 4 plus 10 is 14. Okay, 5p. Now we have to eliminate 5. So for elimination of 5, which is in multiplication, we will divide. So divide both sides by 5. So we will get 14 by 5. 14 divided by 5 is equal to 5p divided by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. 14 divided by 5 will be equal to p. So this is our answer. Okay.